Let's consider a software solution of CAPTCHA using the API of the Solvecaptcha service. Let's try to solve the Geetest CAPTCHA. Let's try to solve it manually. To do this, click the Verify to Click button, and when the CAPTCHA slider appears, drag the puzzle piece to the correct position in the image. CAPTCHA is successfully solved. Let's try to do the same programmatically using the API of Solvecaptcha service. On the GitHub at Solvecaptcha Python, there are examples of scripts for various types of CAPTCHAs. In addition, there are instructions for installing these scripts, a description of configurations, an error handler, and other necessary information in order to solve various types of CAPTCHAs. To demonstrate how the API of the Solvecaptcha service works, based on examples of scripts from the GitHub, we have prepared a file to which a unique API is added. You can find your API key on the Solvecaptcha service after registration and authorization in your profile. So the code of the error handler script has been added to this file. You can find it on the GitHub. In our script, we pull the CAPTCHA parameters programmatically instead of grabbing them by hand, but you can extract them manually if that's easier for you. The script launches an undetected browser and opens the Geetest demo page. It then fetches the challenge, sends it to the Solvecaptcha service, waits for the solution, and injects the received tokens into the form's hidden fields before submitting. The CAPTCHA solved. Success!